Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to fix if your headset is not detecting on to your turtle bitch. Now first is use the direct USB ports. Plug transmitters directly into your console or PC and avoid USB hubs, docks, or adapters. They can interrupt the connection. Two is the Bluetooth pairing. You can use mobile application. First is pair headset with your phones via Bluetooth and ensure the Bluetooth LED blinks once every 5 seconds, which indicates successful pairing, and then update via the Swarm 2 mobile app. Third is the PC firmware update. Now open the Swarm 2 desktop applications and ensure headset is paired to both transmitters, which says the LEDs is solid green or pulsing red for active, which amber for the standby, and only connect one transmitter at a time for the Xbox version. 4 is the manual pairing if needed. If LED blinks rapidly, the headset isn't paired. Follow the manual pairing or instructions for your specific model, and then recheck LEDs. Headset LED should blink green every 5 seconds. Now update both transmitters once at a time, especially for the Xbox versions, to avoid the connection issues. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.